جوړې بدې شاړې کړم ښایسته بادې څو چند کړم هر لویشته خاوره به دې بیا ډکه له خوند کړم.
Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar Akhund engaged in a comprehensive discussion regarding political, economic and trade collaboration along with regional connectivity during his meeting on March 12th with a prominent delegation led by Uzbekistan's Minister of Foreign Affairs Bakhtiyor Saidov at the Char Palace of Arg. Highlighting the shared interests between Afghanistan and Uzbekistan across various domains, Mullah Baradar Akhund emphasized the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's pursuit of an economy-centered foreign policy, particularly focusing on regional connectivity. He stressed the necessity of regional cooperation, notably from Uzbekistan, to achieve this objective. Mullah Baradar Akhund underscored the need to enhance transit levels through Afghanistan and Uzbekistan, foster trade relations, expand railway networks, invest in Afghanistan, address transportation and customs challenges, and support Afghans residing in Uzbekistan. He also emphasized collaborative efforts in providing higher education opportunities for youth. In discussing water management and agriculture advancement, Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar Akhund referred to the Qushtipa Canal in northern Afghanistan, a long-standing aspiration for the Afghan people hindered by prolonged conflict and instability. He advocated for the equitable utilization of the river akin to other countries in the Amur River basin, noting that with the re-establishment of the Islamic Emirate, progress on this canal has commenced, ensuring the rights of Afghans without causing concern to neighboring countries. Minister of Foreign Affairs of Uzbekistan Bakhtiyor Saidov reiterated his country's commitment to strengthening political and economic ties with Afghanistan, expressing readiness to welcome the ambassador of the Islamic Emirate in Tashkent soon. He emphasized Uzbekistan's interest in Afghanistan's use of the Amur River and offered technical assistance for the canal project and modern irrigation systems. Furthermore, Uzbekistan pledged support for Afghan transit and electricity projects as well as investments in coal-based electricity production. The high-ranking Uzbek delegation, comprising members of the Uzbek cabinet and private sector representatives, demonstrated the breadth of Uzbekistan's engagement in the discussions.